Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever wished for a flawless manicure without the hassle of salons or the drying time of polish, I've got something that might just change the game for you. Today we're looking at the OPI On Point Press-On Nails in the shade Got the Blues for Red. These little beauties promise an instant, long-lasting mani with no damage and the convenience of reusability. Let's see how they stack up. Let's get into it. These press-on nails come in a 24-count set, offering a mix of classic short round nails and a few accent pieces. The set also includes nail glue, so you can start applying right away. What I really appreciate here is the focus on creating a real nail look. These aren't the chunky, unnatural-looking press-ons that can sometimes feel more plastic than polished. They're designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, offering a quick and easy solution for anyone who wants a fresh mani on the go. Now, if we dive into the details, OPI, as we know, is a renowned name in the nail industry, and they've carried over their expertise into this press-on collection. The nails themselves are made of durable plastic, giving them a solid feel without being too heavy or bulky. The style is classic. Think rounded edges with a slightly curved shape that mimics natural nails, so you won't feel like you're wearing something artificial. I used these press-ons over the past week, and I have to say, the experience was pretty positive. First off, the application was surprisingly easy. The glue that comes with the set is simple to use, and the nails adhered quickly without any mess. I did the whole thing in less than 10 minutes. No dry time, no smudging, instant gratification. In terms of wearability, I wore these nails for an entire week. I used them in everyday situations: typing, cooking, doing dishes, and of course, the inevitable phone scrolling. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical about how they'd hold up, but they did remarkably well. The nails didn't pop off, and they didn't feel fragile, which I've found to be a common issue with other press-on brands. That being said, there were a couple of things I wasn't crazy about. While the Got the Blues for Red color is stunning, I did notice some slight chipping around the edges after a few days of use. The gloss was also starting to dull a bit, which is a bit of a letdown. And although they're reusable, I wouldn't say they'll last forever. Once you've worn them a couple of times, the edges can start to wear down, especially if you're not super careful with the removal. When we look at the value for money, these press-on nails are priced reasonably considering the convenience and the brand name. While they may not last as long as a salon mani, they provide an excellent alternative when you need something quick, easy, and temporary. Plus, the fact that they're reusable makes them a solid investment if you're someone who loves changing up their nails without committing to the upkeep of polish. If you're familiar with other press-on brands, you'll know there are many out there. I'd say the OPI On Point nails stand out for the quality of the nails themselves. They feel much more natural and less bulky than some others. But if you're looking for something that offers more durability for longer-term wear, you might want to consider higher-end options or those made for extended use. As for build quality, the packaging is practical. Nothing too fancy, but it keeps everything secure and protected. I also appreciate the inclusion of glue, which isn't always guaranteed with other press-ons. The materials themselves are sturdy, and the design seems durable for a product in this category. The longevity, however, might depend on how gently you use them. I found that after a week of wear, they started showing signs of wear around the edges. On the customer support side, I didn't have any direct interactions with OPI's team regarding this product, but as a reputable brand, they generally have a solid reputation for handling inquiries. Based on past experiences with OPI's products, I'd expect their customer service to be efficient and helpful if needed. Now, I won't go into product updates here because, honestly, this press-on set doesn't appear to have undergone any major changes or reforms. It's a pretty straightforward product that delivers on its claims without the need for bells and whistles. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are plenty of press-on options out there. Some of the drugstore brands like Kiss and Impress offer similar sets at a lower price point. While they might not have the same long-lasting feel, they're a great option if you're just looking for a temporary fix. To wrap it up, the OPI On Point Press-On Nails are a solid choice for anyone who wants a quick, easy, and reusable manicure. They deliver on their promise of a natural, long-lasting look, but there are a few minor drawbacks in terms of wear time and chipping. Still, for the price and the convenience, they're a great pick, especially if you need a press-on mani in a pinch. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.